Good morning. We're outside this morning again after a couple of days off. At least I got stuff done. So the store took out an ad in Piecework this month, and it dropped on Friday. And needless to say, my video time has not been abundant. I've also been trying to get the slow yarn crawl videos up, which took no advancement this weekend just because of this dropping ad, and I have been madly, with Tony's help, filling orders every day. We get 4 or 5 orders, and they're not always, the straightforward ones are great, but sometimes some of the other ones take a little bit of time and winding yarn and stuff like that, and putting kits together. So it's been full on. We have a little morning of might. This is my morning coffee today. I'm all in the iced coffee now. Delicious. So I did take yesterday off, so I did nothing yesterday, and worked on the Venus shawl. I will confess, I am fudging a bit, just because whenever you start to make modifications, there are consequences for your modifications. So I am paying them, and I will continue to pay for them, I have a feeling. All right, I'm going to flip the camera around because I don't have a flipping option, and I'll show you well, here, I can do it this way. So here is the Venus shawl as a bib right now, just because it's not blocked and it's not big enough yet to show you anymore. But I have now done my second row of fans right here, and they're coming out really cool. I still am having to do a few more stitches per fan, but what I didn't take into account on the first row is if I put in more stitches per fan here, that impacts the number of stitches I pick up along the bottom of the fan. So I'm having to travel more here, which then creates a new situation. So there will be fudging throughout the fan section of this project. I will have to put some single crochets in between fans, and then when I get to them, some of these fans will dip lower into the previous row. So I'm just going to have to do some fudging. At some point, I'm probably going to have to make a fan that is a deeper fan to make up for it. So these are 9 stitch fans. I chain 9 at the end of the row. I may have to do a 10 or a 12 stitch fan just to get this fan to fill this space. So heads up, yes, I'm fudging already. Now, the reason I fudged is the first row of fans were creating puckering, and on Tony's it puckered a bit as well. So I'm trying to avoid the puckering, but the puckering means that the ratios are all off a little bit. Now, the one thing that I could have done that may have helped is if I had done 10 stitch fans, maybe. If I had done, so instead, when you pick up the first row, you pick up 9 loops, and then you go into the 10th loop that forms the center of your fan. If I had picked up 10 stitches and put the 11th stitch into your fan, that would have meant that I would have had a 21 stitch repeat. So there's all kinds of math involved. I'm just making it up as I go along instead of following blindly the pattern, which I tend not to do. Now, if your tension may vary, and you may not have a problem at all. So don't just because I'm fudging say that, oh, the pattern's crap, because it's not. It's partially my own not trusting the pattern and making my own judgment because it's crochet, dang it, and you can. And even, I think her name's Eve, even she says that. I've watched her videos, and she's like, just fudge it, it's okay. Nothing terrible's going to happen. So just be aware, though, that fudging creates fudging and more fudging, and you may have to be brave enough to take that off. Anyway, I'm going to carry on today after I fill orders and after I sort out some family issues, and keep going. I don't know how many scallops, but because this is 1,040 yards of tinsel goodness, I got a lot of fan coverage to go. I think I'm going to have a lot more fans than the pattern calls for if I choose to keep going. So it'll be fun. I'll get a big one with lots of fans. Or shells. I keep calling them, they're fans, right? Right? They're fans, shells, same thing. Things that go roundy. Tony's still, because she started over, she's still working on like row 7 or 8. So I will show you an update on Tony's progress as well soon enough. But that's it for today. Just a little shorty because I got work to do. Bye.